If your HVAC system is making weird noises, it's probably trying to tell you something's off and you don't want to ignore it, you know? Alright, first thing, check if any parts are loose. Sometimes, a simple tightening of screws or bolts can stop rattling sounds right away. Next, give the motor bearings some love by lubricating them. That smooths out squeaks and keeps things running cool. Take a look at the blower wheel too. If it's dirty or unbalanced, it can cause banging or clanking noises. Don't forget the belts and bearings. If they're worn out, they'll make all kinds of annoying sounds, so swapping those out can really help. Also, keep your air filters clean because clogged filters make your system work harder and louder. Make sure your HVAC is installed on a stable surface. Vibration from uneven placement often leads to noise. Lastly, listen for any unusual sounds during startup or shutdown, since that can point to electrical issues or failing components. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy HVAC systems is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which often leads to expensive repairs down the line. Catching issues early saves cash and hassle. Another common blunder is not checking the blower wheel or belt condition regularly. If these parts are dirty or worn out, they crank up noise and reduce efficiency, so clean or replace them as needed. Finally, skipping lubrication of motor bearings is a frequent problem. When bearings dry out, the motor sounds rough and can burn out faster, so make sure to oil them on schedule. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for HVAC repairs and other home projects without all the stress. Plus, it hooks up hardworking contractors with real customers who need their skills, making the whole process easier for everyone involved.